If you are ready to move from a basic fitness tracker to a more extreme sports watch, the Amazfit GTR 3 is an excellent option. It provides a wide range of fitness monitoring options for a relatively low price. Its software and hardware are well designed, and it's light and small enough to wear daily. In our research, GTR 3 is a better bargain than the Pro version. To simplify, we separated the review into different sections. Without further ado, let's get started. The watch is stylish, with a sleek body, aircraft-grade aluminum bezel in two tasteful neutral colors, and a high-quality AMOLED screen. It's available in Moonlight Gray and Thunder Black, and the bands are removable and interchangeable. The Amazfit GTR 3 is compatible with iOS and Android, and supports step counting, sleep monitoring, calorie burning, and more. You may also check today's price and complete specifications through the link in the description. This model was simple to use, accurate for counting steps, and good for monitoring heart rate. Our experts observed that newer versions of cell phones were very simple to pair, somewhat simple to interact with, and very simple to connect to a charger. In addition, the build quality is excellent. In a nutshell, the performance score is 80 out of 100. After evaluating the feedback, we discovered people enjoyed GTR 3's smart lightweight design and crisp UI, inexpensive AMOLED running watch, 21 days battery life, and built-in GPS. While on the other side, the customer mostly complains about the lack of third-party applications, Wi-Fi, and no MP3 storage. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more shopping advice soon, so stay tuned.